Hello, guys. I'm in Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary near Goa. It's an awesome place, actually. It's very wild. I saw a lot of monkeys. I saw one snake. I was walking through one deserted area like this, and I saw one snake passing by. I just moved away. And I saw a lot of human animals also. There are some tourists who have come here. I have moved away from them. I'm in one secluded area. And then I thought I will talk to you about the wilderness of our academia. The academics these days is like a wilderness where we are all wandering aimlessly without knowing what to do. So what happened is recently the GATE exam got over, and it was quite easy for a lot of people. And people are confused whether the cutoff will be high, whether net exam is also going to be like this, and whether they should prepare, what to prepare, how to prepare. So some of my students were telling me, ma'am, please help me, motivate us, tell us how to prepare. So that is why I'm making this video. What you need is to know all the major authors and works, periods in a very systematic manner. And you have to study in such a way that you don't keep forgetting what you have studied. If you study for a few months and then forget everything and start all over again before the next exam, that is not good. You shouldn't do that. So study in a very effective manner so that you don't forget what you've studied. That's very, very important. And obviously, when you ask me, I will have to tell you about the services that we provide, the courses that we provide. Even if you don't take the course, how we do it, when you know about it, it will motivate you to work on your own also. If you want, you can take our course. Otherwise, just based on how we do it, you can also organize your preparation. We have this massive rapid fire program, complete course it is called. It is conducted by Nerds Table and TESS in association with each other. The Nerds Table team of experts, they have created a database of 30,000 multiple choice questions based on all topics of English literature. And that is an awesome, massive resource that you can practice daily with. It is provided in the Google Classroom as quizzes. And apart from that, there is a lot of service that I am personally providing that is part of the Rapid Fire Complete course. And this includes the daily quizzes that I have made. I have studied a lot of question papers of national level exams, and I have made questions based on that pretty high standard. I'm telling you, the people who wrote GATE were telling me, ma'am, your questions were very difficult, but the exam is very easy. And if you do questions like that every day, it's going to tremendously help you, I'm telling you. I will give you guidance also. Apart from the daily quizzes, sometimes I conduct quiz fests, festivals, where you will have a lot of fun and motivation. That is really awesome. All this is part of the Rapid Fire Complete course. But the daily quiz fest, the daily quizzes you can buy separately also if you want. If you don't want to spend 1,500, actually it is worth spending, I'm telling you. But if you don't want to spend it, no problem. You can buy just the daily Rapid Fire for $399. Apart from this, the Rapid Fire Complete course includes weekly mock tests. Mock tests are also very high standard. I have prepared questions by studying net questions and making similar questions. And in the last Rapid Fire program, many people were telling me exactly your questions came in net and we passed because of Rapid Fire. That also they said. That is because I did not just make some questions. I took effort and studied the questions. That is why it was effective. That is what I'm doing right now also. You will get every week a mock test. That is a tremendous practice again. And I also conduct webinars, as you might know, based on very contemporary topics. We had recently a webinar on post-colonial literature, on literary criticism, where I covered a lot of new topics, very contemporary developments, and I talked about world literature and literature of Asia. These questions are very important these days in central universities and all. They study such things. Contemporary critics and all these I had included. So such webinars you will get access to as part of the Rapid Fire Complete course. If you don't want to do this, it is okay. But if you do this, it will be a tremendous boost for your preparation and it will give you excellent resources. So if you take it, it's good. If you don't want also, just do one thing, collect resources like this, do your own research, make a timetable of all the major authors and works, and just go through all these authors and works one by one in the internet, collect useful information. This is how we have made our encyclopedia also. If you have seen pages of our encyclopedia, you can make your own notes based on that. But the thing is, our courses and materials are made by so many people, experts, over many years. That kind of, when you buy one product or service, you are getting so many people's work over many years. And also over 20 years of my experience. Not 20, more than that. I think 25 almost years I have been, since I passed MA, I have been teaching. I did research in PhD in Canada, in the University of British Columbia. All these and so many batches of NET candidates I have taught. I have students of all ages across India, almost every university, I think. So that kind of experience is behind these services and products. That is why they are valuable. But I will never tell you that you should buy my products, because I always say I passed this exam with JRF without any coaching. I did not go to anybody, but at that time the exam was easier. So this is the news from Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary. All of you in this wilderness of English literature academics who are wondering, who भटक रहे हैं अब, ये न जाने कहाँ जाए, कहाँ से मिले कुछ help, you are wondering, don't worry. This is the way to prepare. You will all have awesome careers. If you prepare, if you study hard, the results will come to you, I'm telling you. There will be no looking back. Don't worry if you don't pass the first time, because you're getting that much closer to being a scholar. You have to be a really great scholar before you pass any exam, right? And before you become a teacher. I am also learning for the past 20 years. Even though I was teaching, I am still learning. I am just a student who has begun this journey through the wilderness of literature. So I wish you all the best. Don't worry at all. Just relax. Use any of our services that you might want. Otherwise, I wish you all the best in your own preparation. I'm always there to help you and guide you in whatever way I can. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Bye-bye. All the best.